Hello everyone, today we are making a pan-seared chicken thighs with scallion oil. Tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing the chicken. Usually you see two kinds of chicken thighs in the store. One is boneless and skinless, the other has bones and skins. I prefer the one has skin because it gives the chicken better flavor and a crispier texture when pan-fried. You also can ask the butcher to remove the bones for you. Just make sure to keep the skin, which is I did today. And next, cut the chicken thighs into small pieces and trim off any excess fat or tendons. And then place the chicken in a bowl and rinse it well with water to remove any blood or residue. I rinse it twice. The second time, I add 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine and let it soak for a few minutes. After soaking, take the chicken out and pat it completely dry with paper towels. Then I transfer the chicken to a flat glass dish so the chicken can marinate evenly. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon sugar, 1/3 of salt, 1/4 white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and mix them well. Then we add 1 teaspoon sesame oil and mix again. Once it's well mixed, I cover it with plastic wrap and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's get the scallions and the shallot ready. First, cut the scallions into 2-inch sections. This will be used to flavor the oil. And then finely chop the leftover green part for garnish later. And then take 1 banana shallot, cut it in half, and then slice it into thin strips. Now that everything is prepared, let's make the scallion oil. Here we add 5 or 6 tablespoons of oil over medium to low heat. Then add the scallions and the shallots back to the pan. Let them cook slowly, don't rush this part. After a few minutes, they'll turn golden and crisp. At this point, the oil is full of flavor, and we're going to use it to make a quick scallion oil sauce. I use chopsticks to pick them out and then transfer them to a glass bowl. Hot oil from the pan, sugar, soy sauce. This scallion oil sauce is ready and is perfect for rice or noodles. In the same pan with leftover oil, place the marinated chicken pieces in, skin side down. Don't move them right away. You also can cover the pan to help cook through. After about 7 to 8 minutes, flip the chicken. Add in any remaining marinade during the final minute of cooking and continue to fry till all sides are golden and the chicken is cooked through. Right before turning off the heat, sprinkle in the chopped scallions and we're done. This dish is savory, juicy, and full of rich scallion flavor. Perfect with rice and noodles. Especially the scallion oil sauce is a highlight of this dish. Thank you for watching and see you next time.